Today we'll talk about how can you select short table on your uh, periodic table app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on settings. When you just click here on settings here, you come to next step here, click here on from chip. When you just click on it here, you click here on short table here, so then it's going to add with you automatically on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.